Just because the students that we've had in so far have been successful and have done well, so we know that the programs that you guys have are kind of matching and aligning with what we're looking for in talent. So figure we come back to the place that worked out for us already.
We've actually hired someone in the past from Lincoln Tech. Why not? It's in our backyard, and we know they push out extreme talent, and we know we're in the right place.
Yes, we actually know quite a few people that actually come to Lincoln Tech and actually work at Southgate. So it definitely has a good reputation, and we know that a lot of nurses just graduated, so we're interested in trying to recruit them as well.
I've been working with Lincoln Tech for years now. I've been coming to these job fairs. The graduates that come out of the school, they're wonderful. The education that they receive here is not only hands-on and educational, but it's heartfelt. And when the students leave this facility, they know what they're doing and they know where they want to go.
Lincoln Tech, from my understanding, is a great school, and I'm learning more and more as I'm here how wonderful this is. I'm really surprised to see how big the campus is and how much energy that's on the location here today.
Hello, my name is Nurse Zakysha. I work for Preferred Ben Salem's office in Pennsylvania, and I graduated from Lincoln Tech in 2015. My experience with Lincoln Tech was amazing. We got a lot of training, a lot of good knowledge and skills so that we can be able to be vital, integral parts and make a good impact in the healthcare field. I like to hire Lincoln Tech grads because I know that they've gotten the best education possible out there.